I think the event was really great. It was very engaging with a lot of hands-on experience, and we spent enough time with the cars to understand the different types of cars and also the different electrical offerings in place.
Talking about the electric cars versus the ICE, and then we moved on to this painting activity of the shoe. It came out really, really nice. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, the event is superb, the event is fantastic, and really it is very useful to know about the futuristic cars and how the BMW has integrated with the, that's come up the new electrics, so the electric versions. What could the range, what could be the, the power,